Turning on my PC with a bell switch. Does it works? Let's find out. Because my old one is faulty, I have to press it multiple times. Change the focus. This is the power SW. We put this in and this is the button we have to press such that it turns on our computer. So where's my button? Fucking. I'll put you on a tripod. Needed a plier. The cable, you could just extract it out of your computer. A screwdriver, just so we could unscrew this you could get super cheap. The old one, I just use this one. Are the pins I'm going to use. What the fuck? Come on. Now that we have, we'll just that's it. You don't have to take everything into consideration. It's just as simple as that. Back the screws. 6 minutes. This is it. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Hey, no way, it actually worked. Let's go.